Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Charlotte and I do how-to videos. Today I'm doing a video on how to make a ruffle. Since I have an Etsy shop, I will be showing you how to do a ruffle for one of my aprons. So hopefully it'll turn out okay and it'll be one that I can put and try to sell in my Etsy shop. Oh, and please bear with me. I'm new to this YouTubing business. I'm learning as I go. I'm learning how to edit the videos, and I'm even kind of trying to learn how to talk in front of a camera. So bear with me. Hello. The first thing I do after cutting out the pattern is sew the hem on the ruffle. As you can see, it's pinned and ironed and ready to sew. So here I'm doing a back stitch. That's a long ruffle. I've already sewn the gathering stitches by sewing 2 lines along the outside edge of the material at the widest possible width on my sewing machine. The first one at 1/4 of an inch from the raw edge and the second one at 1/2 an inch from the edge. This leaves you enough room to sew in between the gathering stitches when you are ready to sew it onto the apron. Now I'm marking the middle of the apron and the middle of the ruffle because I find it easier to gather half at a time. Now separate the top threads from the bottom threads, grab onto them and start pulling and gathering to make it fit the bottom edge of the apron. Keep pulling and gathering until you get the width of the ruffle to match the width of the apron, using the pin marks as a guide. And then start on the other side. Looks like it fits at this point. Now flip it over and start matching right sides together and the raw edges together. Match the pins marked earlier for the midway mark so that the ruffle is not lopsided. Keep pinning the 2 pieces together. I think the more pins you use, the better. Are you tired of this music yet? I'm almost through, I promise. As you can see here, the end doesn't quite match up, so all you got to do is take those strings and gather a little bit more so that it fits. Phew! I think I'm almost done. I'm ready for a break. Oh, wow, that was a short break. Well, anyway, now I'm actually sewing the ruffle onto the apron part. But please don't go this fast. I've increased the speed so it doesn't take so long. But I think that this part, when you're sewing this ruffle onto the apron, is one time that you need to do it slow. Slow, slow, slow. Because you want to keep your stitch in between the two gathering stitches that you sewed onto the ruffle. So you really got to watch it closely. And also you have those pins in there, so you got to watch and probably take out those pins as you are sewing. Just keep adjusting as you go along to make sure that the gathers are lying flat. Just about done with this part. Okay, this is my favorite part, taking out those gathering stitches that we did earlier. Everything should come out and pull out pretty easy since it was done on a wide stitch. And if you were careful when you are sewing in between the two stitches and not cross over onto one of these gathering stitches, that makes it kind of difficult to pull out then when you've sewn over it. But anyway, this is the end of my video showing how to sew a ruffle onto an apron. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. And think about following me or subscribing to my channel. Have a good day.